Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive into everything beauty. No fluff, just the facts. Today, I'm going to share my experience with NYX Professional Makeup's The Brow Glue Extreme Hold Eyebrow Gel in Clear. If you're someone who values perfectly styled brows that last all day without the fuss, keep watching. NYX Brow Glue promises up to 16 hours of extreme hold with a non-sticky, transparent formula. Its unique claim, no flakes, no mess, just beautifully set brows that stay in place through whatever the day throws at you. It's designed for anyone looking to create strong, defined brows with a natural finish. What makes this product stand out is its ability to line, fill, shape, and set in one simple step. It's clear, so you don't have to worry about any color buildup, and it's formulated to be flake-resistant, which is crucial for maintaining a polished look throughout the day. So, how did it perform in real-life testing? I'll be honest, I was curious about whether this brow glue could really live up to its 16-hour hold. First of all, the application is smooth and easy. The gel dries down quickly, giving your brows a natural yet structured look. There's no stickiness, and I didn't experience any flakiness, which is a huge plus. The texture feels lightweight on the brows, and even after a full day of wearing it, my brows remained perfectly in place. Now, there's one thing I should mention. While the hold is impressive, it's best suited for those who prefer a more defined, structured brow look. If you're into the soft, feathered brow trend, this product might feel a bit too stiff for your liking. But if you love brows that stay in place all day without the need for constant touch-ups, this is definitely a winner. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the clear formula works well for all brow shades. It dries quickly without leaving any sticky residue, and it offers a strong, reliable hold. I've worn it through some long days, and it definitely lives up to its extreme hold claim. It's cruelty-free too, which is always a huge plus in my book. As for cons, well, the only real downside is the texture. It's not the best if you're aiming for a more natural, soft look. It does set the brows into a more structured form, which can be a bit too much for some. Also, if you're looking for a product to fill in sparse areas, this is just a setter, so you'll need to pair it with a pencil or pomade if you want to add volume or definition. In terms of value for money, I think this product is reasonably priced for what you're getting. For those who use eyebrow gels often and want something reliable, this could be a game changer. Given its performance and the fact that it lasts for hours, it seems like a good investment for anyone who's serious about brow styling. Now, if you're on the hunt for alternatives, there are a few options out there, but few match the long-lasting hold of NYX's brow glue at this price point. However, if you're looking for something a bit more budget-friendly, some drugstore alternatives could offer decent results, though you might not get that same all-day hold. As far as build quality goes, the packaging is sleek and functional, and the formula is solid. There's no excess waste, and it's easy to apply exactly the right amount. Is this brow glue worth it? Absolutely. If you're someone who wants their brows to stay put for an extended period of time without worrying about reapplication. It's a solid choice for anyone needing reliable, extreme hold, especially if you have a busy day ahead and don't want to worry about your brows budging. Now, if this review helped you in any way, do me a favor and give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and click that bell icon so you never miss an honest review like this one. Your support really helps us bring these unbiased reviews to more beauty lovers like yourself. Thank you for watching. If you've tried NYX Brow Glue, or if you have any thoughts or questions, drop them in the comments below. We love hearing your experiences and feedback. Thanks for tuning in. And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.